Most drivers don't realize how fast small problems turn into expensive disasters: a dead phone, a missed blind spot, or one tiny distraction. And it only takes seconds. Welcome back to Quincy Gadgets, your go-to for the coolest car gadgets on Amazon, smart tools, and clever upgrades that actually make driving easier. Some of these look simple, but one of them could completely change how you drive. What really happens in an accident when it's your word against theirs? This 4K dash cam captures everything in crystal clear detail. But here's the key: it automatically locks important footage during impact, so nothing gets deleted. Driving at night? The Sony sensor still sees clearly. And with dual lenses, you can record front, rear, or even inside your car. Missed something? Just replay it instantly. It's not just recording, it's your strongest evidence on the road. How do you record accidents without cluttering your dashboard with gadgets? This 2-in-1 dash cam solves it instantly. It's both a phone holder and a full HD camera, capturing everything in front of you. But here's the twist: it locks your phone in place while recording wide-angle footage day and night. Hit a bump? Your phone stays steady. Need proof after an incident? It's already saved. And with app control, you can review everything in seconds. One device, double protection. Why do most drivers ignore warning lights until it's too late? This AI-powered OBD2 scanner tells you exactly what's wrong in seconds. Just plug it in and your phone shows real-time data from your car. But here's where it gets powerful: the built-in AI explains error codes in plain language and even suggests fixes. No guesswork, no expensive diagnostics. You can test components, reset systems, and catch problems early. It's like having a mechanic in your pocket 24/7. So far, which one would you actually use every day? Drop your pick in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more smart car upgrades you didn't know you needed. What happens when your tire goes flat in the middle of nowhere? This portable inflator saves you instantly. It's compact, but powerful enough to inflate a car tire in just minutes. But here's the part most drivers don't expect: a quick 10-minute charge is enough to get you back on the road. It also doubles as a power bank and emergency light. Nighttime breakdown? You're still covered. It's not just an inflator, it's your backup plan when things go wrong. Why are you still plugging in your phone every time you drive? This tiny adapter turns your wired CarPlay into wireless instantly. Just plug it once and it connects automatically every time you start the car. But here's the best part: no more messy cables or distractions while driving. You still get navigation, calls, music, everything, just smoother. It feels like a small upgrade, but once you use it, there's no going back. Ever struggled with messy charging cables while driving? This smart owl mount fixes that instantly. Just bring your phone close and its wings automatically open and grab it. No buttons, no distraction. But here's the cool part: it wirelessly charges your phone up to 15 W while you drive. Bumpy road? Your phone stays locked in place. Driving at night? The glowing eyes guide you. It's not just a charger, it feels like a smart assistant on your dashboard. Which of these would you trust the most on the road? Tell me in the comments and hit subscribe if you want more smart gadgets that actually protect your drive. What if your old car could feel like a brand new smart vehicle? This 9-inch wireless CarPlay screen makes it happen instantly. Just mount it and you get navigation, calls, music, everything on a bright display. But here's where it gets crazy: you can control it with simple hand gestures without touching the screen. Driving through tunnels? The brightness adjusts automatically. And with a backup camera included, parking becomes effortless. It's not just an upgrade, it completely transforms how you interact with your car. Where do all the small things in your car keep disappearing? This center console organizer fixes the chaos instantly. Just place it between your seats and suddenly everything has its place. Cups, phone, keys, even random items, organized and within reach. But here's what makes it better: it doubles as a comfortable armrest for long drives. No more clutter, no more searching while driving. It's a simple upgrade that makes your entire car feel cleaner and smarter. Where do you put everything when your car starts getting messy? This 5-in-1 armrest organizer fixes it fast. It adds storage, a tissue box, and even fast USB charging right in the middle of your seats. But here's the part you didn't expect: it glows with soft LED ambient lighting, making everything easy to find at night. Long drives feel more comfortable, and your essentials stay within reach. It's not just an organizer, it upgrades both comfort and convenience. Alright, which of these gadgets would you actually trust with your car? Drop your pick in the comments. I'm curious what made your list. And if you're into smart upgrades that save you time, money, and stress, hit subscribe. There's more coming that most drivers still don't know about. How do you clean dirt hidden deep inside your car without spending hours scrubbing? This Vortex air cleaning gun blasts it out in seconds. Just connect it to an air compressor and it creates a powerful swirling airflow that lifts dirt from carpets, seats, and tight corners. But here's the twist: you can switch between wet and dry cleaning instantly. Stains, dust, even engine grime, gone fast. It uses less cleaning solution but delivers pro-level results. It's not just cleaning, it's detailing on another level. Where is your car right now, and would you know if something went wrong? This smart OBD device connects your car to your phone in real time. Just plug it in and you can track location, speed, fuel, even engine health instantly. But here's the scary part: it alerts you if your car is moved, towed, or even tampered with. You can check everything from anywhere. It's not just data, it's total peace of mind every time you park. What if your car could tell you exactly what's wrong before it breaks down? This advanced AI diagnostic scanner goes far beyond basic code reading. Just connect it and it scans every system in your car. But here's where it gets serious: it not only explains problems in plain language, it lets you actively test components in real time. Think dealer-level diagnostics without the cost. Reset systems, run deep tests, even unlock hidden features. It's not just a scanner, it's total control over your car. So which one made you think, I actually need this? Comment below. I read every single one. And if you love finding smart car upgrades like these, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. How often do you glance down at your dashboard and take your eyes off the road? This GPS HUD speedometer fixes that instantly. It displays your speed and direction on a large, clear screen right in your line of sight. But here's the smart part: it warns you when you overspeed or drive too long without a break. Day or night, the brightness adjusts automatically. No more guessing your speed. It's not just a display, it's a quiet safety upgrade you'll notice every drive. Ever feel like your car interior looks boring, or worse, gets dirty way too fast? These LED Nappa leather seat covers instantly upgrade everything. They wrap your seats in soft, waterproof leather while glowing with customizable RGB lights. But here's where it gets interesting: the lights sync with your music, turning every drive into a vibe. Spill something? Just wipe it clean in seconds. And yes, airbags still work perfectly. It's not just protection, it's a full interior transformation. Ever stuck waiting in your car with nothing to do? This portable car cinema changes everything. With a smart projector and auto-unfold screen, your car turns into a private theater in seconds. But here's the crazy part: the screen opens with just one button, and the projector delivers a bright, cinematic image right inside your car. Long trip? Now it feels like a movie night. And the sound? Fully immersive. It's not just entertainment, it makes every parked moment unforgettable. From safety tools to smart upgrades, these gadgets aren't just cool, they actually change how you drive every day. Some protect you, some save you time, and a few completely transform your car experience. Now I'm curious, which one would you pick first? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if you want more gadgets that make driving smarter, safer, and way more fun, hit subscribe and stay tuned.
We're a team passionate about discovering the smartest and most useful car gadgets. Our mission is simple: help you drive safer, smarter, and better every day.